Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a makeup I've hit pan on, and I know you guys love some pan porn, so I'm gonna show you a lot of products that I've hit pan on, but most of the products are eyeshadow palettes, and a lot of them didn't have any pan on them whatsoever, and two other products are face products. So if you want to see the products that I've hit pan on, then just keep on watching. Okay, so my sneak peek is that I already hit pan in some shades of the Modern Renaissance that didn't have any pan on them, but I'm not going to show them to you because you will see them on the update for the Panda palette video that's coming up. But I have other Anastasia eyeshadow palettes that I've hit pan on. So the one that I'm going to show you, this is the Prism palette from Anastasia, and I hit pan in the shade Sphinx, and I also hit mini pan in the shade Unity, which is this light yellow shade. The pan is super tiny. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but it's there. So now I have 5 pans that I've hit on this eyeshadow palette, and I couldn't be more excited. This means the world to me that my palettes show that they have been loved. And the Anastasia formula is one of my favorite formulas to work on myself and on my clients. But these ones, since I did the project progress with it, which was a while ago, I forgot about it, and I know it's a beautiful palette. You could do a lot of end of the year looks with it, mostly this shade Throne, and it's just an overall beautiful holiday palette. So I don't need to be getting holiday crazy releases when I have this beauty in my collection. This palette I didn't have any pan on, and I hit pan in one shade. This is the shade Elfish from the Dream Street palette with Colourpop and Kathleen Lights. And I love the formula of the Colourpop shadows from this palette. This is the eyeshadow palette that showed me how good the Colourpop formula was, and I didn't want to believe it. I thought that maybe it was just because it was a collab. Now that I got singles from Colourpop, I know the formula, it's consistent. I have to use it more and play with it more. Not only this one, but the Colourpop shadows that I own, because they are so soft and buttery, and you wouldn't believe that they're that good for the price that they have. So yeah, I'm happy that I hit pan on this one. This is an oldie. This is my first high-end palette that I ever got. This is the Naked 2 by Urban Decay, and I hit pan on Snake Bite, which is the middle shade right here. It's not a huge pan, but it's so deep overall that I know that if I use it a couple times more, the pan is gonna be extremely long. And I'm also about to hit pan in Foxy, Half Baked, and Booty Call, but mostly Foxy. And I know this pan can be bigger, but it's good to have palettes that didn't have any pan on showing some pan. And I've been using this one and the next one that I'm gonna show you on my makeup classes as well as on myself. I like rotating my collection. That's why I haven't been posting project progresses that much, because I've been just grabbing something that calls my name instead of having something to grab on my makeup basket or my shop my stash. Maybe I will start my project progress again next month, and it happens to me that I either do project progress or project pan, but I don't like doing both at the same time because I feel like overlapping them, it's too much work for me, and it just doesn't let me enjoy makeup as much. So I do either or, and now I have a few project pans of products that I truly need to finish. My hair is a mess on this video, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is another palette that I hit pan on, and this already had pan, but I hit pan in a new shade, and that shade is Georgia, which is this shade right here. So now I have 4 pans on this palette, and these, I took it for a makeup lesson, and people always tend to grab these colors, but these 3 I hit pan on them when I got this palette using it all by myself, but they have been expanded by using it on clients, and just when my clients want to use a palette, they will use this. I know that this palette can have so much more love shown to it because these 2 eyeshadows can basically have pan on them if I wanted to, because they are so useful and so my tones for transitions and making a warmer smoky look. And these can be an actual base, or these can be highlighters for the inner corner and the brow bone. So it's an easy palette to work with, and the Too Faced formula, it's a formula that's easier for me to use when teaching makeup lessons. It's just pigmented, but it's not crazy pigmented and powdery like the ABH formula is. And I'm happy to use this because I think from the permanent range of the Too Faced palettes, I only have this one and the Too Faced Peachy Matte palette, because I sold the chocolate bar palettes because I wasn't using them at all. And I also have one that's from a summer from a long time ago, but the two that I have from the permanent range are both of the peachy eyeshadow palettes, and I just want to hit pan in every single palette that I have in my collection. I have this face powder, and this is the contour kit in the shade Java. This is from my yearly project pan, and I already hit pan in it, and the pan has been expanding. And after this one, I think I have 2 more shades of these that I need to finish, or one more shade that I need to finish, and I'll be good. I truly need to keep finishing bronzers and powder products, highlighters and stuff like that, because it's crazy how much you can accumulate throughout the years. And this is one that I don't actually love anymore like I used to, but that I can't find a reason either to just let it go to waste. I just want to finish it up. This was part of the first contour kit that Anastasia released. Then this was today, and this is the blush that I'm wearing today. I hit pan on it. This is the blush that I took with me, one of the 2 blushes that I took with me to the Dominican Republic, and this is the Tarte Ecstatic blush, and you can see the tiny pan that it has in the center, and I know in a couple uses more you will see major pan in it. And this is a blush that I have also in a project pan that I just started yesterday, so it's a good thing that I took it with me to the Dominican Republic, and then I decided to put it in a new project pan. So I put it in my everyday makeup drawer to use it, and I know if I put my mind to it, I may use it up by the end of the year. And then last but not least, I have hit pan on my first Natasha Denona eyeshadow. The one that I've always told you guys about, that it's my favorite Natasha Denona eyeshadow, and that thankfully I have 2, because I have one in the Cranberry palette and one in the Aries palette. And I don't know if you can see the pan, but it's in the center of the shade Nude right here. It's just a beautiful eyeshadow. I'm gonna swatch it because I can't not swatch it. You can see it right here. It's perfect for bridal though. I use this on a lot of brides. It's beautiful, and it shines the way a bride is supposed to shine without being silvery or too light. And some people don't want an extremely light shade for a semi-cut crease when they have their makeup done for bridal. Some people do, but some people don't want to be so loud, but they want to have a beautiful shine. And this is the perfect one for sure. I love this as an inner corner highlight. I just adore it. And I just don't want these eyeshadows to go to waste. And this is a beautiful palette, and this is a beautiful shade. I can't wait to use it more. I know those eyeshadows have a ton of color, a ton of product, and I know that if I don't make myself use them the way I want to use them, they will go bad, and that's not the idea that I have for these shadows. This is my favorite formula of all time, the Natasha Denona formula, the formula that I want to use every day, and I won't feel guilty about using it every day. They're even better than ABH, and the more I use them, the more I love them. So that's it for this video, you guys. So I've showed you pan in 8 products. 6 of them are eyeshadows, and then 2 are face products, and I'm happy for that. I couldn't be happier, to be honest. I just can't wait to see how much more pan I can hit in the products that I have. At some point I would love to have all of my eyeshadow palettes showing a lot of pan. So that's it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. For the emoji today, since I hit pan in the nude shade from the Aries palette from Natasha Denona, just put any emoji that makes you think about the nude. So anything nude you can put in the emojis below if you watch the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and that's it, you guys. I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.